Service to humanity requires huge sacrifices, and only few people venture into it. One of those is the founder and general overseer of the Resurrection Life Assembly International, Reverend Dr. Udochi Odikanwa. Based on his unquenchable thirst to provide for the less privileged and poor people around him, the Revival in Africa Foundation recognized him for an outstanding and dedicated service to the growth and development of people in Nigeria and in Africa at large, with an award as an Africa Impact Leader.
Congratulations, sir.
The President, Revival in Africa Foundation, explains his choice for awarding Reverend Dr. Odikanwa.
The essence of the award is to encourage him to do more, to continue imparting lives, to continue being a blessing to people. What we saw that attracted us to give him that award is what we want him to keep doing and to even increase it by being a blessing to humanity.
Speaking on behalf of the awardee, a church member who received the award on his behalf says there is no end to what Reverend Odikanwa has been doing for humanity.
Some people come to the church with nothing. Some people come in a hopeless situation. They don't know what else to do. But through him, the word of God will build them up and they will become somebody.
The awardee, who is a pastor, holds a doctorate degree in educational psychology. He says the award will spur him to do more.
But this is another bigger one that has come today, so it's going to spur me to do more and contributing my quota as an educational psychologist and also as a pastor to making sure that my society becomes a better place for everyone to live in, and also people believing in themselves and what they can do. And so in your little closets, you can be doing something very fantastic. Who knows? You could be getting a higher award than the one I just got right now.
Joseph Kadri, ITV News.